10 miles to go. I usually land Cessna 172s at this airport, but today we're going to try the Boeing 737 on this very short runway. And overall, we're looking pretty good. We're lined up for a change.
Sync rate.
Oh, shut up. Just when I think things are going well, Mr. Autopilot thinks he knows everything.
400.
Here, we're gonna have to just trim the tops of those trees.
300.
Just listen to those people. Oh, look at this.
100. Approaching minimums.
You would think I was a
50,
professional.
40, 30, 20,
Oh, the
10.
stick shaker. There's got to be some excitement. Oh, holy shit, we are down. Now, are we gonna stop? Look at this. Did I actually just do the impossible? Come on. 60. Come on. I think the people in the back are clapping for me right now. Look at this. We actually stopped on this short runway.